The second most rewarding experience with dog training is seeing a well-behaved, happy dog going back to its happy owner. A lot of the times we get owners who, their dogs are their babies, and we see tears coming down their eyes, and they're struggling so hard to pet their dog, member of the family that they have not seen for a while. That experience and just kind of seeing the change and them recognizing the change in the work we did, speaks volumes for what we do and what we love to do day after day here at All Dogs Unleashed.